Now let's look at reviews of NMN. I picked on one of the popular brands known as VivaNMN. VivaNMN claims to use the highest pure quality ingredients with 94% customer satisfaction, so I looked at Trustpilot reviews. Right, so one review says this stuff works. As a 54-year-old perimenopausal personal trainer, I am skeptical about any product like VivaNMN. I've had no side effects. 5 stars, okay, good. Another star review, again 5 stars. I forgot to click for the free bottles and the free for 2 offer, but doesn't really tell me how good the NMN was. Okay, this is more useful. Another 5 stars. I've been taking this NMN for 3 months. Immediately I was sleeping earlier and deeper and waking up ready to go when usually I'm quite sluggish and struggle to fall asleep. My skin is visibly smoother and my grey hairs are taking a few weeks longer to show, which saves me a lot of money. Okay. Oh, look at this. 1 star. Disrupted sleep and hideous indigestion. Like others similarly, I have taken this supplement in the morning as directed. I was already taking Nutrition Geeks MJ Glycinate 3-in-1. Right, so this had sleeping problems. In 8 days, my sleep has reduced, the worst in the past year, up to 4 hours last night. Again, 5 stars, 5 stars. I mean, you can go on Trustpilot and read the reviews for yourself. Anyway, I'm not endorsing VivaNMN as a particular brand. It was just a brand that I picked because it's the brand that's doing the rounds on social media forums like TikTok. You can do your own research and find out what brand that you would like to take. Overall, there has been good views of, NMN. Could it be a placebo effect? Does it actually work? I don't know, but that's something for you to decide for yourself. Disclaimer, I am not saying take NMN and you have better sleep, you have better energy, you have reduced grey hairs. I'm not saying any of that. This is just a review of NMN and just to let you know what it claims to do as well as the side effects. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share, like and subscribe.